I never really paid attention to the fact that I never completely smiled. When I smile, I usually hold back my smile, or I smile with my mouth closed. Yeah, my name is Joseph, and I am from the United States of America. I live in Indiana, and yeah, I'm here in Turkey. I wanted to get my mouth taken care of. I wanted to get a complete makeover, if you want to call it that. Of course, this is a more permanent makeover, so it's not temporary. So yeah, my wife told me about this place. She did some research. She and I both wanted to get treatment here, and it turns out, due to circumstances, that I was the only one that was able to get the treatment, and it was pretty quick. I mean, we got it done in 1 week. So here we are today. I came in pretty, I mean, you probably see my before picture, but I came in less than desirable, and now I am very good looking. So, you know, I decided it for me, it was because of my wife. I don't want to say that I did it for myself only, but she encouraged me. And it was not that she didn't like the way I looked, but she encouraged me because she too was going to get the same treatment, and we felt like we both could use this, and it would be good because I'm on camera as well. I do stuff at home and for my channel, and I wanted to be presentable. I really wanted to get another boost of confidence visually, and this is why I did it. I never really paid attention to the fact that I never completely smiled. When I smile, I usually hold back my smile, or I smile with my mouth closed. My wife will say, "Smile, show some teeth," and I'm like, whatever. But it was just subconscious. It was just what I was doing subconsciously. So I wasn't paying attention to the fact that I wasn't really smiling, but now I'm going to be paying way more attention to that. So it's pretty great. I mean, I'm going to have to get used to the fact that this is a completely different look for me. I have to get used to this because I'm looking forward to showing the people when I get home. They're going to wonder what happened to me. Where did I go? How did this happen? Why? But I'm pretty excited, and I know this is for the long term. You know, it was a great experience. I mean, for me, I can say it was a great experience because I didn't have a lot of problems coming into this. I didn't have issues that could prevent or make my treatment a little more painful. I didn't, you know, so I think it ran very smooth. All things considered, it ran very smooth. And I will have to say I was very afraid of dentistry. You know, I was very afraid of drills and sounds and things like that. I mean, I'm just injections. Okay, guys, it's okay. That's the worst part. But once you pass that, it's worth it for what's the end result. First of all, we went to Turkey a year ago. So I already knew that Istanbul is an amazing city. It's a big city. I already knew that this is also a city that a lot of people come to for medical treatment, for hair, for dental, for cosmetic reasons. I know that this is a place that people come to from around the world. So there's a reason for that, because there's a lot of great people doing great jobs, but it's nowhere near the price that it would be if I had this done in my home country. So why Turkey? Well, because both my wife and I could get it done for half the price of what it would cost me alone to do it in the United States. So second of all, my wife and I love Istanbul. So we love the people, we love the culture. So it was easy for us to choose this place. And then third of all, the people are professional. I mean, I don't feel like I'm like this was a scam or anything like that at all, because I wasn't even hesitant, right? There was no question. I just knew that this would be the price. So it was great having you as a manager to be able to help translate for me. So if you're coming from a country where, your language barrier, you're worried about not being able to have a conversation or to understand your treatment, just know that they'll do whatever they need to do to make sure that there's no language barrier. So don't be afraid of that. And then they're going to make you feel comfortable. You're going to get your treatment. It'll be done quickly, assuming there's no issues, of course, along the way, but it will happen quickly and you'll be happy you did it. So there you go.